Good morning, Jay.
Good morning.
You just come back from the
gym,
workout.
Sweating, tired.
Well,
but the day is just starting.
well, Elaina and I are gonna surprise you. We're gonna take over this morning.
Oh,
yeah.
When you say take over, do you mean in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. We're gonna try your famous.
I've never had that before. Like Sunday mornings, that's normally my job cut out for me. But
that's your territory. But
I'm looking forward to see what the result is.
Yeah.
You know, so
I've studied your video and I'm gonna give it a go. Good morning, guys. So this morning we're going to be the chefs and we're going to do Daddy's famous banana pancakes.
Pancakes. Yeah.
Okay, so first up, let's get the ingredients.
First, the flour.
One of those. Let's check with Daddy's, make sure we've got enough flour.
I'll put another 2
scoops.
Okay, Daddy, you're the chef. Backpulver. Say backpulver.
Backpulver.
Yeah, a little bit German lesson.
Daddy put some salt in.
How much?
How much salt do you put in?
It's a little sprinkle.
I think that's a sprinkle. We add in some vanilla.
Vanilla.
Mash the banana first. Yeah, you mix it first. Then
Chef.
That's what I said.
yeah. You gotta do it. Don't put all the milk, then you mix it.
I watched you. I watched you.
I'll keep gently adding. That's it. Just keep stirring.
I have to get the bump to help me.
Keep stirring.
It's stuck.
Keep stirring.
It won't stir. Come on, you need muscles for this.
Should I help you?
No, she's fine. She has to get it. Keep whisking, keep whisking.
My arms are so
Yeah.
sore.
Keep whisking, keep whisking.
It's so tough.
Yeah. Keep whisking. Come on.
I'm whisking, but my arm is so tired.
Come on. Keep
I have to switch. I have to switch arms.
Before there were electrical whips and all of that, that's what the grandmas used to do to make lovely muffins for the grandkids, you know?
Daddy story time.
Yeah, I gotta tell you. Tell a little bit of story.
Motivation.
Motivation. Keep whisking, just keep whisking.
Exhausted. I'm not doing this again. I'm getting there.
I'm starting to wonder if I want to eat any of this.
Can you give it a final swish?
Daddy, chef call. I'm doing this. Daddy, how do you feel about it?
How do I feel about it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to save it now. If I don't get these lumps up, this won't be a very palatable pancake. They won't be very palatable pancakes, so I've got to get all the lumps out.
I tried.
Get the all-important ingredient in, you know? The banana. That's easy, isn't it? Bananas you can do. Okay,
Bye.
bye. I'll leave him to it now. Keep whisking, lady. Keep whisking.
I will.
Get the lumps out.
Alright, so now we're gonna mix up the banana.
You guys can write in the comment section what you guys like on your pancakes.
What do you like on your pancakes, Lane?
Nutella
Yeah.
or syrup or Daddy's fruits.
Yeah. This is looking really good, Lane.
Thanks.
You're doing a good job. Okay, we're gonna add the sugar. What do you think of the service so far?
Well, I'm liking what I see so far. Elaina is interesting.
Bubbles.
How do you think we're going, Lane?
I think we're going on the right direction.
We're on the home stretch.
I think we are doing good.
Yeah. Good luck, Lane. Yes! Woo! Did it good.
That one was
You're getting better.
but that one was. I think that one will be a good one.
I hope so. Yep. Yay!
Yeah, it's good. That's the finished one. I did that one, and Elyce did this big one and the other one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flip!
Yay! Dad, wanna see our pancakes?
Let me take a look. Gordon Ramsay is coming. Let Mr. Ramsay through.
Daddy, I did that one and that one.
Just gotta see how it tastes now.
We've got the last pancake going. It's looking really good over there. And we've got the fruits ready to go. We're at the finish line.
Now.
All right, we have finished the pancakes and I think they look amazing. I hope they taste just as good. I hope it passed the test. I'm so nervous.
It's smelling good, it's looking good. Presentation is mwah.
Okay, you take one of them and like take a bite and let us know how it goes. Ta-la.
Ta-la, this is how it goes.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Can't wait to have mine.
Spread it. Fruits. Oh, it's so nice and warm.
Okay.
Little bit of maple
Oh,
syrup.
you're going for the extra sweetness. Watch out, dentist.
Ooh.
Do we pass the test?
Yeah, I got definitely a A. For effort. Presentation.
Lainey, we got an A.
A plus.
Is it as?
It's not A plus yet, but it's an A.
Oh, okay. I'm happy with an A. What are you happy with an A?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to dig in and have our breakfast now, Lainey. And we got some juice. So I'm so excited. Let's dig in. So let's catch up on all the things that's been going on lately. Thank you so much for being patient with like my uploading. Going through like the first trimester was rough. I'll probably do like a whole separate like first trimester, like all my symptoms and things that I was experiencing in another video, but let's just say it was hard. I guess working full time and then experiencing those nausea symptoms. By the end of the day, I was just out of it, and the only thing that would really help me was just going to sleep early. So I was tucked up in bed by like 7 o'clock a lot of nights. So I was living the nana lifestyle, but it was the only thing that helped me, and which just meant that I wasn't able to produce much content during that time. So, but I'm back now and I'm really excited to get back into a routine. And Germany is so fantastic with looking after mothers and children, and I'm so lucky that I'm able to get those benefits living here, being a resident in Germany. As most of you know, I'm a primary school teacher. That's my full-time job, and because of COVID, if you're working in a job where you are more at risk, then they sign you off from work immediately. So I was working up until 11 weeks pregnant. That was sort of like where the holidays were, and that was just when I went to Australia. So on the last day of the school term, I had my doctor's appointment, the pregnancy and everything was all confirmed, and you get like a special slip from the doctor that you give to your employer that sort of just confirms the pregnancy and how far along you are, and then so human resources can do their thing. And so I got an email back. Basically, I'm signed off from work now until after baby is born. That is fantastic. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything more. I definitely wouldn't have got that in Australia. So now I am off work. I'm just really enjoying the time of just, you know, making sure that I'm feeling good, baby is good, and I'm spending actually quite a bit of time on my German lessons, especially now that baby is coming in October. I really want to be able to up my skills in my German, and that's going really well. I'm enjoying just keeping up the consistency, and so obviously I've got a bit more free time, so I usually do my German practice from like 9 to about 12, and so I'm going to use the afternoons to do all my my content creation, giving you guys some more content, being a lot more consistent now that I've got the time. And I'm so excited to be able to share this new chapter of going through pregnancy abroad and having a baby over here, and just having that new chapter of life. I think will be really exciting to share with you guys. And if you're thinking of traveling over to Germany, or you're wanting to start your life over here, then you might like to follow along on my journey, and I will share as much as I can with you. And now that summer is here, it's so beautiful. Like today is picture perfect day. It's going to be like 24 degrees, but the sun is out, and we're going to go on a little river cruise. So we got some tickets online, and we're going to go to the city. We'll get the bus into town, and yeah, we're just going to go on a 1-hour little boat cruise. And at the moment, Germany are offering this really amazing deal with like transportation. Because the fuel prices are very high at the moment, you can actually purchase €9 tickets for the month for all of summer. So you pay €9 for June, €9 for July, €9 for August. Here's a little visitor. We've got our €9 tickets, and we're going to make the most of it. So we're going to go on buses and trains, and you can travel all over Germany with your €9 ticket, which is an amazing deal. So I really can't wait to do some more travel around Germany over the summertime. All right, so let's get ready to go into town and go on our little boat cruise, and yeah, I can't wait to show you some of the scenery. Okay, so this is the bump update. I got this dress from H&M. They've got lots of really nice maternity wear. It's got like the little flap there for like nursing, so super comfortable, and yeah, helps with the growing bump. I'm really starting to pop now. I never could imagine myself looking like this, but now it's so surreal. I'm loving it. And obviously we've got cot here, so haven't unboxed this yet, but I'm gonna get into this a little bit later. I was super keen to like unbox it straight away. Jay's like, no, we've got plenty of time. We can set this up another time. I'm like, okay, and I really want to look at it. So I'm being patient, and yeah, we'll look at it a little bit later. I can't wait. I really want to get into it now. Ready to go on the boat, Lainey?
Yes.
Yay! Bumping.
She's such a show off. Loves showing off her bump.
Until he gets here. Then I'll be like, this is my son. Alright, so we're here at the docks area, and we're queuing up. We're still a little bit early, so we've got about 23 minutes to go before they start taking people on. So tickets sell out quite quickly for these cruises along the river. So if you'd like to try one of these cruises, I suggest that you pre-book. We booked on Friday or Saturday and in the morning, and yeah, it's all sold out at the ticket office now, so just a couple of days in advance will help. It's a beautiful day, can't wait to check it out. We're here, we've got our seats, and we're in the shade, which is nice. All the tables got taken really early, so if you want a table, you have to get at the front of the line quick. But we've got a nice little spot, and we're going to see the views of the city. So you can get food and drinks on here, nibbles, and if you get a table, it looks like you can get table service, which is really cool.
Hello everyone, I'm Jay, your local tour guide. Just moved to Cologne, and you can see ahead of us to the right, but there's a nice paved way for both bicycles, pedestrians, runners, joggers, skaters. And the further along you go down towards Rodenkirchen. You go in the other direction, going towards the city. There are nice, lovely, sandy areas where you can just chill. I mean, here is quite rocky. Here is quite rocky, but the further you go down, the more you come across like sandy opening areas on the side of the banks, and you can chill there. You can barbecue in the summertime, sunbathe if you want a little bit of color. Got enough color though. Yeah, it's a nice area. It's a nice area.
And bring the bottle tonight. Red wine and rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realize.
It's a little bit gusty going back this way.
Diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like.
Right, we finished our little river cruise and it was so nice. We finished it up in the sunshine and it was perfect. So now we're going to get off and we're going to find something to eat.
We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right?
So we're on our way home now and it was such a nice relaxing Sunday, just going on the river cruise and then having lunch out at the restaurant. It was just really nice. The food was good and I am stuffed. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Enjoyed the cruise.
Yeah.
I didn't hear them like
Any
giving
commentary
or like any, you know what tour guides do, like, I didn't hear any of that, but I didn't mind because we had like a nice little corner and we just chilled there. We could just film without disturbing anyone or anyone walking across us, so it was nice and easy.
Did you have fun, Lane?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a good time. So that's the end of my video. I'm going to wrap it up here. We're just going to head home and just like chill out for the rest of the afternoon now. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great week and I'll be back next week. Take care. Mwah. Bye.